top handle. This is one of SmallRig's earlier designs that I got a while ago, and it's very functional, hefty, a lot of quarter 20s, 3/8. You have little areas to put in rods, 15 mil rods. You have a cold shoe, and then it connects with this. It's not Arca Swiss. What is this? Nato rail. So you get a Nato rail plate, and then you could slip this on. This is also removable, this piece right here, so you could remove that and have another piece. Maybe you just want a cold shoe, so you can replace it with a cold shoe. It's very multi-purposed, you can see here, and when it's by design, it just looks a little ugly the way it is. I recently got SmallRig's, one of their newer designs here. I'll put the link below with all these handles that I'm going to talk about here. I like this one a lot because it has the NATO rail. It's smaller. It looks prettier. There's a little bit of a grippy material here on the bottom that fits the fingers. And you have quarter 20s. What is that, a Arca? Or is another kind of connection there. You have 2 cold shoes in the back, and then you have 3 cold shoes in the front. 1, 2, 3. And then another connection up here. I don't really know. Is that an Ari rosette? It's one of them. But you have a lot of connections. It's really small. There's no built-in tool. It's one piece. But I like this perfectly for this half cage I got for the Panasonic S5 2X. So I got this half cage. This is a Tilta. The only thing is the SmallRig here. I'm sure you can get them with the plate, but this one didn't have the plate, so I bought this separately. And this is their smallest NATO plate. So you get this, you slip it on. It's one screw here. Then you lock it into place, and there you go. It's very sturdy. It feels great in the hand. Perfect size. And now I can connect my cold shoe, whether that's a shotgun microphone, or I have a transmitter receiver that I want to put in here, like a Rode Wireless Go, or I want to put in something more heftier. I can put it on a light. I could really add to this. It's a great design. A little expensive though. Not too expensive, but a little one. And I was just wondering if there's anything else out there that was like this. And sure enough, there is. And I got it. This one's from Neewer. Neewer. Is it Neewer? Neewer? Yeah, from Neewer. And this one is a little cheaper than the SmallRig by itself, but you get this and you get the NATO rail base plate, also by Neewer. Kind of the same design, same length as the other one that I got from SmallRig, and it comes with it. So you get a little bit extra value here. And I wanted to compare, are these the same? No, they're not the same. Yeah, it feels good. This brand used to be quite cheap with their products, but now can't really tell the difference between Neewer and SmallRig. So here you have the NATO, right, down there. But you don't have as many connection points, mounting points. It's roughly the same length, same dimensions. But the SmallRig offers more connections here. The reason why I like the SmallRig a lot is there's 5 cold shoes. I have a lot of cold shoe accessories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the back. But this newer one only has 1 on the top and then 2 on the back. They don't have the side ones. But other than that, yeah, there's less mounting holes. In the hand, The Neewer has a slightly thicker grip, so this does feel better in the hand than the SmallRig. SmallRig is a little thin. They weigh about the same in my hands. The grippy material feels the same, with the exception of this being thicker. And let's see if it even just mounts on the SmallRig I have here. Yeah, this one feels just as good as the SmallRig. Oh, it's not tight enough. Oh, hello. Wait a minute. Hold your horses. This connection is not on there that tight. Uh-oh, I think I found a weakness. Okay, so this connection here with the Nato, this is loose. I might have to tighten it more. It looks like there's an Allen key there that can tighten it. So maybe out of the box, oh, it comes with its own key. Will this one fit? No, this one's too big. Okay, so they don't include a smaller Allen key to adjust that. Maybe, I think that's adjustable. Huh, I was just gonna say this was gonna be a better buy to get if you were stuck between these two. If you saw both of these two on the market and you're saying to yourself, oh, should I get the SmallRig for a little more money, or should I get the Neewer that's slightly cheaper and I get that Nato rail base plate? But this has been working. I've had this for a few months now, and it's been working great on the shoots that I've been on. But this one, as I just took it out, this is the first time I'm using it. Yeah, that connection there, huh? It looks like the same engineering. Why is one not as good? Okay, so the jury is out with this Neewer one. Everything about it feels good except the connection was a little loose, which, you know, if you have one of these things, that's like the most important most important part of a top handle, not coming loose. Quick update. I just got my Allen keys here and I tried to tighten the top here because I thought that, oh, it's just really loose, that's why it comes off. But I tightened this and this is still loose. So maybe I got a lemon. I didn't get maybe this is not a good batch out of the factory, but this does not hold. So if you were looking at this, I am skeptical with this product now. Yeah, this is a word of caution. Get the SmallRig, way more reliable, and I think it's just a better design. It costs a little more, and you don't get the base plate that you got to buy extra. But if you already have a plate, Nato rail plate, and you don't mind, maybe you catch this on sale, then yeah, get the SmallRig one. Maybe hold off on this handle for now until they fix this.